Hi everyone, I am Dr. Tejasri Botchella, consultant doctor in Fidicus Homeopathy. Now that we know the structure and function of UTI, structure and function of urinary tract system, now coming to types of UTI. Types of UTI is nothing but which part of urinary tract system is involved. Part of involvement of urinary system, we can divide it as upper urinary tract infection, lower urinary tract infection. In upper UTI, you can see pyelonephritis and urethritis. Pyelonephritis is nothing but infection of kidney. This is the more severe complication, and in this infection of this kidney condition, we can see severe backache, chills, and also systemic complaints like nausea, vomiting. All are we can see in this pyelonephritis condition. Next, coming to urethritis. These two structures are called as urethra. Usually, infection of urethritis is rare condition. If infection of urethra, it can lead to urethritis. These two conditions seen in upper UTI infection. Now coming to lower UTI. In lower urinary tract infection, bladder and urethra are the most common structures involved. Infection of bladder we call it as cystitis, and infection of urethra we call it as urethritis. This is the bladder and this is the urethra. So infection of this bladder we call it as cystitis condition, and infection of urethritis we call it as urethritis. These are the conditions involved in UTI, and we can divide these two conditions based on the involvement of part of organ in urinary tract system. If infection affects kidney, we can call it as pyelonephritis. If infection affects ureter, we can call it urethritis. If infection affects bladder, we call it as cystitis, and this is the most common infection. And if infection affects urethra, we call it as urethritis. Usually in males, you can see prostatitis condition. It is usually not seen below 50 years. This condition is usually seen after 50 years of age. So males also have UTI condition. This is all of the types of UTI condition. If you are suffering from urinary tract infection, consult Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to what do you get from Fidicus Homeopathy. The success of case depends on three main steps. One is a treating doctor, second one is the infrastructure we have, and third one is the drug device we are following. At Fidicus Homeopathy, doctors have with passion, qualification, knowledge, experience, competence and compassion. The drug device we are following is of top quality. We are getting our medicines from best pharmaceutical industries, and we are also best in segment. The infrastructure we are using all of latest technology, and Fidicus Homeopathy is the first homeopathy using artificial intelligence as a treatment option. By using this, we can provide better results. These are the advantages of selecting Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming to the consultation part of Fidicus Homeopathy. Fidicus Homeopathy provides two types of consultation. One is online consultation and another one is in-person consultation. In online consultation, audio and video call options are available. By using this option, you can share your reports. If any reports are necessary, we will let you know. You can get it locally and send it back to us. After completing the case taking, we can diagnose the condition and give treatment. We can ship your medicines to your doorstep wherever you are in the world. If you are staying in India, it will take 3 to 4 business working days. If you are staying other than India, it will take 3 to 8 business working days. If you want to get consultation in Fidicus Homeopathy by in person, you can visit our nearest branch and get consultation. Now coming to how to get consultation Fidicus Homeopathy. This is our WhatsApp number 7997101303. By using this number, you can call or message to us and get consultation. If you have any doubts about Fidicus Homeopathy, this is our website www.fidicus.com. You can visit our website and get consultation through this. Why Fidicus only? There are so many hospitals and so many homeopathic consultations available. Why Fidicus only means? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest success rate. Fidicus Homeopathy follows three main principles. One is treating highest success, transparent treatment and personal care. In UTI condition, Fidicus Homeopathy having highest success rate and also providing transparent treatment. Transparent treatment in the sense we are maintaining transparency between the patient and the doctor so that we can explain the disease condition and prognosis to the patient. And we are also providing personal care. Personal care in the sense we can provide unique time to each patient, unique treatment to each patient, and we can clarify their doubts about the disease condition. We can also give health advices. All these are the advantages in selecting Fidicus Homeopathy. If you are suffering from UTI condition, consult Fidicus Homeopathy.
Fidicus Homeopathy.